How to fix Facebook 6-digit code not working. Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll guide you on how you can fix Facebook not sending this 6-digit verification code or you not receiving the 6-digit verification code. Now this might be due to various reasons and there are a couple of steps that you can do and try to fix the issue. The first thing is restart your device and reboot itself. What you would want to do is restart your device. Now to restart you can always click and hold down the power button and you'll get an option to restart and power off or some other options. Now what you want to do is tap on restart there and then your device will restart and reboot. Now this will refresh your network too, so you will need to refresh your network again once you do this. But what you will want to do is reset the Facebook app itself. Now to do so, scroll down your notification bar and on the top right corner of your screen you can find the settings icon. Tap on it. And here scroll all the way down below until you find the option apps, and under apps what you want to do is search in search bar, or you can scroll down and look for Facebook. Now once you find Facebook app, tap on it and open it up and scroll down below. You'll find the option stories. Now on stories what you want to do is on the bottom of my screen you can see the option clear data option. Tap on clear data option and it'll delete all your Facebook app stored data and cache. Once you do this, what you want to do is head back to Facebook. This will delete or remove any glitch or bug on the app, and then you will want to try logging in again and allow the telephone permission to Facebook, and then you should be good to go. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.